Why sync Google Calendar with productivity apps?
Seamlessly syncing Google Calendar with other productivity apps ensures that your schedule, tasks, and reminders are always in one place. This integration helps you avoid double booking, stay better organized, and automate everyday workflows. Whether it's task managers, note apps, or project tools, bringing everything together enhances your time management and overall productivity on any mobile device.
Connecting Google Calendar to task managers.
Many popular task management apps like Todoist and Microsoft To Do allow you to sync your Google Calendar directly. In most cases, open the settings in your chosen task manager, look for Google Calendar integration, and follow the prompts to sign in and grant permissions. Tasks with due dates will appear on your calendar, and calendar events can show in your task list for streamlined planning.
Integrating with note-taking apps.
Apps like Evernote and Notion offer calendar integration features to unify notes and schedules. In their mobile apps, search under Integrations or Connected Accounts. Once you link Google Calendar, you can view events alongside notes, attach meeting notes to calendar entries, and get reminders within your note-taking environment for efficient multitasking on the go.
Syncing with project management tools.
The project management platforms such as Trello, Asana, and Monday.com let you sync deadlines and milestones with Google Calendar. On mobile, use the app's integration menu and choose Google Calendar. After linking your account, currents or tasks with due dates populate your Google Calendar, ensuring you never miss a key project event or deadline.
Maintaining security and privacy.
When connecting Google Calendar to other apps, carefully review the permissions each app requests. Always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication on your Google account for added security. Regularly check which apps have access to your data and remove connections you no longer use to help protect your privacy and keep your information safe.
Tips to maximize your integration.
To get the most from calendar integrations, set up color coding for different types of events, automate routine tasks with app-specific features, and enable notifications on your mobile device. Review your integrated apps regularly to ensure everything stays updated and relevant. With these tips, you can streamline your workflow and optimize your time management on the go.